Exercise 5.6, question number 11. If x is equal to square root of a raised to sin inverse of t, y is equal to square root of a raised to cos inverse of t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. This is the question. Okay, so I'll start. Here, these two equations are in parametric form. Okay, so first of all, we'll find, means there are two methods. One is first you find out dx by dt, then you find out dy by dt, then dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. But in short, we can solve, means there is another method that also I'll explain. So here x is equal to what? A raised to sin inverse of t whole raised to half. I can write square root. Y is equal to a raised to cos inverse of t whole raised to half. I can write square root of x, means what? X raised to half. So therefore x is equal to a raised to sin inverse of t into 1 by 2. I can write a raised to x whole raised to y is what? A raised to xy. A raised to m whole raised to n is what? A raised to m into n. So into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2 means I am writing pi 2 here. Multiply by 1 by 2. So same way, y is equal to a raised to cos inverse of t into 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2 will be pi 2. Now I will take the product. X into y, left hand side I have multiplied. When I multiply left hand side, I will multiply right hand side also. So a raised to sin inverse of t upon 2 into a raised to cos inverse of t upon 2. Now you know, if a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to what? A raised to m plus n. So therefore xy will become a raised to sin inverse of t by 2 plus cos inverse of t by 2, a raised to m plus n. So therefore xy is equal to a raised to 1 by 2 you take common. So inside the bracket what will get? Sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t. So therefore x into y is equal to what? A raised to half. What is sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x? Pi by 2. So this I can write pi by 2. So therefore xy is equal to x into y is equal to a raised to pi by 4. Pi into 1 pi, 2 into 2 4. So therefore here I am writing, therefore now differentiating this with respect to x. Differentiating here I write differentiating with respect to x. So left hand side it is a product of two function, means first function as it is derivative of second function plus second function as it is derivative of first function. In right hand side this is nothing but a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so I am applying. So x as it is, first function as it is derivative y with respect to x, dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1, is equal to a raised to pi by 4. As I told, it is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. So therefore x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is y is equal to 0. So y will go to that side, so minus y. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Minus y by x. This x will go to denominator on the other side. So y by x. This only we wanted to prove. See, hence proved.